What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the video. We found a killer deal on the Beta suspension. Originally, I wanted to do the KYB front forks and potentially the all-in suspension for the rear. However, that's like $4,500 and a little bit maybe overkill for this. We found on Marketplace a Beta factory 48mm front forks with the triple clamp and of course the wheel spacers and everything you need. Picking up with the package is the YSS G Racing full rear dampening system for the Beta. We're gonna make the drive to Waco, Texas. It's roughly like 2.5 hours to go pick this up, and yeah, super excited to finally get this thing essentially a double R Pro bike. From what I understand, the Beta factory suspension is basically a SOX, which is the double RX Pro version of their Betas. So what I'm doing is I'm converting the XTrainer into essentially a double R. As you can see, went ahead and even started kind of getting the stickers on there. But I really wanted this bike to be more capable when I'm riding really fast. This front suspension is just very twirly. It gives in, it's super soft, and I think it's really going to help us be a better rider. So I'm super excited to get this on a sweet deal and yeah, do this more on a budget. But let's go ahead, go pick this up. Alright guys, we picked up the Beta XTrainer factory XTR SOX suspension 48mm, and I am super stoked to get these installed. Turns out the guy that I actually bought these from, he used to race Torx, which is partially the entire reason why I'm doing this. And yeah, potentially met another guy to ride with. Super chill dude, owns a sick home, gave me a sick deal, so thank you to the guy from Facebook Marketplace. I hooked it up. But yeah, we got about 2 hours and 31 minutes to get to the casa, and we will unbox the suspension and show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, here's the Beta suspension here. Opening the box, we have the XTR install instructions. Underneath here, we have the beautiful, check this out guys. Oh yeah, look at that. So, now remember, these are 48mm. compared to our 43mm, and look how much thicker it is. Oh my god! Wow! Comes with everything you need. So in here, of course, we have the both of the forks. It comes with the spacers, the wheel spacers that you need. It comes with the, oops, let's put those back. It comes with the front wheel hub there. Not wheel hub, but I can't think of the name, but you guys know what it is. Whatever this box is, probably some more tools. Then you have, of course, the other side. Here is the triple clamp. The sweet thing about the YSS is the guy actually never even installed it, and it's never even been used. So you have the instructions, looks like probably some stickers and some pins, and voila, we have the beautiful YSS gas shock suspension. I mean, look at that. So this one should be pretty easy install. It's going to directly just replace the stock rear one there, but super excited to see this difference. Something I didn't know on these Beta XTrainer suspensions is apparently when you order these online, you actually have to take yours off on your bike, send them off, and then they'll send you these, which is just kind of odd to me. Definitely a little bit weird. Stock spring, I believe it's about 160 pounds. I am 152 and probably gonna drop to about 150. So that's gonna work just great for me. Also looked out because these are not lowered and they're also not like extended. They're standard height, so they should fit exactly like the Beta is. So I'm just gonna get an insane improvement in ride quality. As of right now, this is what she looks like. Just need to get the RR pipe, the carbon fiber cover for it, and then the exhaust. The exhaust has definitely seen way better days. Facebook Marketplace is a dangerous place, but I've gotten so many good deals from so many good people. So if you come across those deals, you gotta just pull the trigger. It's way better than spending $4,000 on KYBs and Olins, and I just, maybe in the future if that's really necessary, but I really think this is gonna be a great package and plenty for the RR, and insanely cheap for the package that this bike is gonna bring. So keeping the small frame of the XTrainer was the goal from the start. I thought about selling it and getting the X Pro, the RR X Pro, 300 of course, but I just like the small frame. With all the enduro that we do and things like that, I love being able to move the bike a lot easier. I like the seat height. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video where we're gonna be installing the Signy suspension. And then after that, we'll take it for a ride and give you my thoughts on it. Whether I think it's worth the upgrade, even though I already know it is. We'll see. Like the video if you did, comment your thoughts. If you have any recommendations on the setup for the suspension, and definitely the YSS. I didn't even know that existed for the Beta, so I'm gonna do a little bit of research, try to see if I can dial it in for my riding style, my weight, all that stuff. But subscribe for more. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.